Ava's outside and she wants to come in. She really wants to come inside. I mean, it's cold out there. You guys think I should let her in?
Oh my god, you are acting like a retard.
Maggie, you need to shut up.
That's not how you actually act, you know.
Maggie, you need to piss your pants.
The camera.
Shut up. No, I'm not. Come on in. Come on, Ava. Oh, no jumping, womping. Hi, Bean. Bella, circle. Circle. Good boy. Yeah. Good pup. Good. Haida. Sit. No, sit. Haida, sit. Haida, sit. Hey, Haida. Haida, sit. Sit. Haida, sit. Sit. Speak. Hey, speak. 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 Not listening. Haida. Hey, speak. Speak. There we go. Good job. Thank you.